Morning, everybody. It's a Friday. You got to do some currency trading. How about this? You click on subscribe, and then I'll start the webinar. We'll cover gold, we'll cover oil, dollar pairs, yen pairs, and then we'll go to the weekend, huh? Let's go. So welcome. Like I said, please subscribe. When I click stream, you'll be notified. And if you're available, you just click a button. You're brought right into the webinar. Please leave a like. Please leave a comment. If you're watching video, leave a comment. If this is a recording you're watching, leave a comment. Just say hi. Say what's up. Say thank you. Say something. But get involved. Don't be a lurker. Also, if you want my chart templates, my chart profiles, my EAs, my indicators, all that kind of stuff, it's all in the description below, totally for free. By the way, my name is Wayne McDonald. I am the Chief FX Market Strategist for TradersWay.com. We're a boutique foreign exchange broker. We'd like to earn your business. So this is why I'm here. We're trying to lure you with free education. So I've been trading for many years, 15 years or something like that. I've even had my own dealing desk at my broker because I was trading so much Forex volume. Not bad, right? So anyways, I've been around. I'm here to share my experience with technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and just being, an ex-supermodel trying to find his way through a cold world. Let me remind you that trading is risky, not appropriate for everyone. Your past performance, good or bad, is not necessarily indicative of future results. Please stay small, stay humble, focus on the long term, and never risk money you cannot afford to lose. So if you are benefiting from these webinars and time with me, then I hope you pay it back by visiting TradersWay.com and opening up an account. Even a demo account would be a really good start. So I have a meeting with a former Fed official. She used to work at the New York Fed. I'm going to go up there and debate universal basic income, sort of like a negative income tax, whether I think it's good or bad, whether it'll help, whether it'll hurt. So I got to go. I got a plane to catch, so today's got to be really quick. By the way, swing traders, we're going to meet right after this, earlier than normal, but we got to roll, yo. So I apologize for being quick today. I'll probably take a lot less questions, but we'll go there. Nathan Williams Halaba says, are the templates now downloadable? Well, they always have been. 20% of people have not been able to do it. We're still working on that. So it's not that they're not. 80% of people have no problem. But hang on, we're working on it. So not quite yet. All right. So let's burn through this. Look at this. Continued Japanese yen strength. That's a risk-off mood. That is anti-macroeconomics, so that's not necessarily a good thing. So when you start your analysis going through all your charts, you should try to isolate what's going on here. So right now we're looking at Aussie yen, but we don't know if it's Aussie. We don't know if it's yen. Is Aussie weak or is yen strong? And so as we go through other currency pairs, you want to kind of isolate all of that. What else is going on? Let's back out to a 4-hour, and you can see, yeah, we are bottomish, and it's not very good for bulls, is it? And that's that. Okay, it's not very good for bulls. It's not a good place to enter for bears. So it's sort of like your last chance for bulls, right? And maybe, just maybe, this comes into play. So selling here would be a very bad idea. Buying here would be very risky. So if you were going to buy on a small time frame, you probably need some sort of at least a higher high or preferably a double bottom. And then off you go, right? Will there be a video of the debate? No, it's only 12 of us. It is a formal get together at Harvard, which is really nice and very, very, very old. The building I'm in is older than the United States of America. And the original one burned down, so it's the new building. And it was built in 1760, I think. But the original one's even older, which is really cool if you're from America. If you're a European, you're like, college don't is older than the 1600s. You're like, yeah, well, good for you, bro. Okay, so Aussie yen. Yeah, all right. So yen might. Let's see what else is going on. What else is strong here? And you say, holy smokes, U.S. dollar is strong too, eh? Well, it doesn't, even though this is, one of these situations like if it made a higher high and then it made a higher low, that would be a particular trade plan. Just because that didn't happen didn't mean it's a failure. It means one plan was if it had a higher high, then you would buy the dip. Well, that never happened, so it's not failed. It just never happened. So what else did happen? Well, look at the stream of flows here we got going. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, right, so on and so forth. So we got some great price action. If you don't know how to trade price action, you're depriving yourself of wealth. Maybe you should consider taking the price action course at fxbootcamp.com. Super cheap, so I don't know what's holding you back. But anyways, that's just beautiful, huh? Now take a look at from back up here. Are we at killer support? No, we're not at killer support, but just like that other one, what was it, Aussie? It's hinting of a monthly swing, and it's a bit early for a monthly swing, but who am I to say if it's early or not? So that's interesting. Probably nothing, like it probably won't matter 24 hours from now, but the fact that it matters now means you do have to pay attention. So watch next month's M2s. Here we are on Euro Buck, the $2 chuck, actually the $1.13 chuck. Very similar to the pound, coming up close to a bottom. We were here in middle of August, so now we've made 100% retracement back. Lower low, lower high, rolled reversal down into here. So on a macro level, like on